Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily delete search history in YouTube. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write comments at the end of the video. And let's go ahead and get into this topic. Please open up the YouTube app on your phone. And then you'll need to go to your section on your YouTube page. And now in the top right corner, click on the gear. Next, select Manage your entire story. Wait for everything to load, and here you can view the entire viewing history that you have on YouTube. And here you can, friends, delete your browsing history, for example, a particular video, just by clicking on the cross next to it. You can also delete your viewing history for a particular day in front of it by clicking on the cross. It goes like this. Also, folks, you can click in the upper right-hand corner on the word delete and select the time period that you want to delete the history for. For example, for today or for all time, you can choose to delete your browsing history. Friends, this is the way you can delete your YouTube browsing history. I really hope this video has been helpful and useful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes, also subscribe to our channel, and write your comments. See you soon.